This real short video will show how to grout tile. What you're going to need is your tile already set and spaced, a rubber trowel, a small bucket, your grout, a large bucket of water, and a soft sponge. The grout that I used was this Polyblend non-sanded grout, which means it's not as grainy, and it's really good for if you want the minimal amount of spacing in between your tiles. This was actually my first tile job on my own bathroom. My dad was showing me how to do it. So this is my daddy showing me. I learned a lot. I hope you learned a lot too. Okay, so how to grout tile. This is a really pretty marble tile.
Okay, and see, I'm doing it at 45. If I did up like this, the edge of this pops in each of those grooves, and then you're going to have a recessed V. Okay. So you go at an angle, and then you just push it in. Now the sponge will take all this off as I can without having too much, because I don't want to have to wipe off too much.
Beautiful.
See, now if I went like this, pop, see how it makes it rough?
Yeah, right.
This way, it makes it smoother. When you take the sponge, it even smooths it out.
Beautiful. pretty thick grout. Kind of like toothpaste.
That's why it'll just stay there, see?
Right.
If it's too runny, it'll just want to fall off. Now we have to get between this and that. See, so I put it here and I push this way and see it come out the top?
Yes.
See? So I'm pushing it up in there.
And you'll want some water with a soft sponge on hand ready to go, like we have right here, to wipe off the excess when you're done applying it.
You only wipe with each side of the sponge once. Then you flip it and you will keep wiping with a clean sponge.
Okay.
If you wipe it again, you're going to take what you just wiped and put it right back on again.
Okay.
See it wiped?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to rinse. Lots of rinsing. See, I'm going to the diagonal.
Oh, yeah.